If Pool Payday closes immediately or refuses to open on an iPhone running iOS 18, the fastest fixes are updating the app, restarting the iPhone, and reinstalling Pool Payday if the problem continues. By the end, you'll know which steps to try first and what to check before reinstalling the app. Start with the App Store. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and check whether Pool Payday has an available update. If an update is listed, install it before doing anything else. An app update can contain compatibility fixes for the version of iOS installed on your iPhone. If there is no Pool Payday update, completely close the app and open it again. On an iPhone without a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find Pool Payday, and swipe its app card upward. Then launch Pool Payday again. If it still will not open, restart the iPhone. Turn the phone off, wait for it to shut down completely, then turn it back on and try Pool Payday again. This clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app starting correctly. Next, check your iPhone's available storage. Go to Settings General, then iPhone Storage. If the phone is extremely low on free space, remove unnecessary files or apps, and try opening Pool Payday again. If Pool Payday still crashes on startup, reinstalling the app is the next practical step. Before deleting it, make sure you know the login information for your Pool Payday account and understand how your account data is stored. Then, delete Pool Payday, open the App Store, search for Pool Payday, and install it again. After reinstalling, sign back into the same account you previously used. If your balance, progress, or other account information is normally stored with your account, check that information after logging back, and rather than creating a new account. If Pool Payday still will not open after a fresh installation, the problem may not be something you can fix from the iPhone itself. Check whether other apps open normally. If other apps work but Pool Payday consistently fails, contact Pool Payday support and provide your iPhone model, iOS 18 version, and a description of what happens when you launch the app. So the key steps are simple. Check for a Pool Payday update, restart the iPhone, check storage, and reinstall the app if necessary. Your practical next step is to open the App Store and check Pool Payday for an update first. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.